Attention Atlanta homebuyers. Are you searching for your dream home in the sought after, vibrant neighborhood of Lake Claire? Well, we have the perfect listing. Join us as we take a virtual tour on this brand new listing at 566 Hardendorf Avenue, brought to you by Luke Darch at the Golden Key Group. This property is hitting the market today, and we don't want you to miss it because it will sell quickly. Don't forget to mark your calendars for this Sunday and join us at the open house from 2 to 4, that's June 11th. If for some reason you're not able to make it, just give us a call directly and we can set up a private showing to make sure that you are able to see this house. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram so that you can stay updated on all of our latest listings, exclusive home tours, as well as professional real estate advice. We look forward to seeing you Sunday. Let's make Lake Claire your new home.